Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to Standard 7 Science Online Class. Children, this is your second unit, children, Universe and Space. Okay, this lesson already completed, children. Take your science book, children, page number 40. Yes, already I'll give you the 1 marks, children. Okay, see the Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First one. The moon takes dash days to complete one revolution around the earth. So option C, 27 days. Second one, if the moon is appearing in the sky today near the star Kartikai, the position of the moon, okay, that is spelling mistake, children, moon, after 27 days is near the star. So the answer is option D, Ashwini. Okay, Asvini. Third one, telescope was invented by option A, Hans Lippershey. Okay, Hans Lippershey. H-A-N, Hans Lippershey, Lippershey. See the fourth one, the galaxy containing young and hot stars. Option D, spiral galaxy. Spiral, spiral. Galaxy, Galaxy, galaxy. Okay, the answer is spiral galaxy. See the fifth question, children. With the launch of the satellite, ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, become capable of launching 4-ton heavy satellite. So the satellite name is option D, Vapor GSAT 19. Okay, geosynchronized. Okay, that is a geo. And see the fill in the blanks, children. First one, waxing of moon means growing and expanding. Growing. GROWING, growing. And or expanding. EXPANDING, expanding. Second one, heliocentric model is proposed by, okay, the scientist name is Nicolaus Copernicus. Nicolaus, Nicolas, Nicolaus Copernicus, COPERNICUS, Copernicus. Fourth one, dash is the prevailing model of the evolution of the universe. Okay, that is the theory, Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory. And fourth one, dash is a large constellation which covers a large parts of the sky. That is Ursa Major. Okay, Ursa, U-R-S-A, Ursa Major, M-A-J-O-R, Major. And very important question, fifth one, dash is the first satellite launched by India. Okay, this is also scientist name, children, Aryabhatta. Already you have learned previous classes, children, Aryabhatta. Okay, he is one of the scientist, children, Aryabhatta, Aryabhatta. Okay, choose over, fill in the blanks over. Okay, children, see the true or false. First one, on a full moon day, when the sun is setting in the west, the moon rises in the west. So this statement is false. Okay. And the second one, the word crescent refers to the phases where the moon is less than half illuminated. The answer is true. Third one, Galileo accepted the geocentric model. Galileo accepted the geocentric model. Okay, the statement also false. Fourth one, our Milky Way galaxy is identified as an elliptical galaxy. Okay, this statement also false. So the last one, fifth one, the planet Venus in our solar system does not have a moon. Yes, the statement is true. And children, see the match the following. First one Rohini. Okay, this is a satellite name. And SLV-3. Okay. And second one GSAT 14. Okay, GSLV D5. And third one GSAT 19. Okay, GSLV Mark 3 M1. This is the code word. Okay. And Chandrayaan 2. And GSLV Mark 3. And last one is Mangalyaan. Okay. PSLV XL C25. Okay, children, clear? True or false and match the following is also over, children. So analogy already I'll give you, children. Okay, I think many of you write in your classwork, children. Yes. See the analogy, children. The older stars, already you know, older stars always in elliptical galaxies. Younger stars always irregular galaxies. And the second one, nearest galaxy. Okay, Andromeda. That is the nearest galaxy. Andromeda. Andromeda. So which one is the nearest star? Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri. ALPHA. Alpha Centauri. 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 Okay, children, this is your very short answers, children. Already you are complete your classwork, children. Take your classwork. See the first question. The word dash refers to the phase where the moon is less than the half illuminated. That is called it as crescent. CRESENT. Crescent. And the second one, dash and dash planets never appear in the midnight sky. Okay, Mercury and Venus. Mercury, MERCURY, Mercury. Venus, VENUS, Venus. And the third one, number of days taken by the Mars to orbit around the sun. How many days the Mars they are taking to the around the sun? 687 days. Okay, 687 days. And fourth one, in which phase does the size of the planet Venus is very small? Okay, when it was in gibbous phase. Gibbous phase. And the fifth one, the only evidence of the Big Bang theory. Already you know the only evidence of the Big Bang theory, okay, is a faint glow in space. Always seen the glow in space called cosmic microwaves background. You see the microwave background, children? Yes, cosmic microwave background. That is called it as Big Bang theory. And the sixth one, the galaxy which contains abundant amount of gas and dust is always an irregular galaxy. Okay. And this is your last seventh very short answer question. Which country launched the world first artificial launch vehicle? Okay, which country? Russia. Russia, RUSSIA. Russia launched the world first artificial launch vehicle. Clear, children? Yes. Now let's move for the short answer. Okay, children, this is your first question, children. This question also already I'll give you, children. Take your classwork. What is epicyclic model? So, okay, epicyclic means to explain the puzzling phenomena astronomers in early times proposed a change in the simple geocentric model. This is called epicycle model. And the next one, a small circle whose center is on the circumference of a large circle is photonomic astronomy. And the last point, it was seen on as the basis of revolution of the 7 planets. Okay, give the fixed central earth. And see the second question, children. Name the 4 different types of galaxies. Okay, this is a very important question, children. Spiral galaxy, elliptical galaxy, irregular galaxy, Barrett Spiral Galaxy. Spiral Galaxy. Spiral SPIRAL. Spiral Galaxy. GALAXY Galaxy. Second one, Elliptical Galaxy. LLIPTICAL. Elliptical Galaxy. GALAXY. And the third one, Irregular Galaxy. IRREGULAR. Irregular Galaxy. Fourth one, Barrett Spiral Galaxy. BARRED. Barrett Spiral. SPIRAL. Spiral Galaxy. GALAXY. And see the third question, children. What is constellation? Okay, what is constellation? A constellation is a recognizable pattern of stars in the night sky. Okay, when viewed in the earth, this is called constellation. Okay, again I'll tell you, children, what is constellation. A constellation is a recognizable pattern of the stars in the night sky when viewed from the earth. This is the last question, children. Give the expansion of PSLV and GSLV. See the PSLV. PSLV means P means polar, S means satellite, L means launch, V means vehicle. So polar satellite launch vehicle. POLAR, polar. Satellite, SATELLITE, satellite. Launch, LAUNCH, launch. Vehicle, VEHICLE, vehicle. And what is the expansion of GSLV? G means geo. Okay, S means synchronous. Geosynchronous satellite. S again, X means satellite. Launch vehicle. Geosynchronous, GEOSYNCHRONOUS. Geosynchronous satellite, SATELLITE, satellite. Launch, LAUNCH, launch. Vehicle, VEHICLE, vehicle. Okay, children, today's class is over. Children, today your portion unit 2, universe and space, learn the 1 marks, children, evolution. Choose, fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following analogy. And a very short answer, 7 question. Short answer, this 4 questions. Learn this question answers thoroughly, children. Complete your task. Report as task completed message in this group without fail. Thank you, children.